Hello friends, welcome you to exploring my computer channel. This video covers some important tips to speed up your Windows system. Uninstall unwanted programs, expired antivirus, unwanted toolbars, etc. from Windows Control Panel, Programs and Features option. Delete unwanted files and folders, that is from desktop, my documents, downloads, music, video, picture folders, etc. Delete temporary files using this method. Clear or move desktop files and folders to some other drives. Remove unnecessary programs from Startup menu. Change Windows appearance using System Properties Performance option. Here, select Visual Effects to adjust for best performance. Disk Cleanup utility scans and removes unnecessary files from system. Open Chrome browser. Click on Settings. Here go to Privacy and Security option. Clear browsing data. Now select All Time and click Clear Data. Open Mozilla Firefox browser, go to Options menu and click on Options. Open Internet Explorer. Go to Settings. Click on Choose what to clear. Check all the options. Then click Clear. Use disk fragmentation tool to disk optimization. Go to C drive, right click, select Properties, click on Tools tab. Here, click on Optimize and Defragment Drive option. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Click bell icon to get notified on new videos. Thank you for watching.